Let's talk about segmentation. You ever feel like you're falling flat and so some of your emails are not resonating with your audience? Well, a lot of that has to do with you're just not segmenting properly. And so I'll show you how to do that so that you can reach the right people in your list to have better engagement. And so it's really great to have things that are more personal to the people that you are that are interested in certain things on your list. And as you grow your list, you'll have different segments of people that want different things. And so being able to do that and setting it up so that you can have different segments based upon what they like is really, really powerful to do. So let's first of all kind of define what email segmentation is. So email segmentation is essentially is you have a one long list of emails that people have opted in for various things that you've offered. Either lead magnets, they're part of a group, or whatever they were. They have different things that they came in on, so they have shared characteristics, but also have different characteristics. And so the idea is to then um, and also have different open rates and open engagement and things like that. Some people open up every single email, others do not. They open up once a week or something like that. And so it changes quite often. And so what segmentation does, it allows you to take certain people with different, with similar behaviors and interests to be able to send it to just to those folks. And so that's the idea that you can then send them to people that are more likely going to be interested in one of a different offer than you have over another. So you get higher open rates and higher engagement rates as well. So first of all, you can do simple and simple segments are like demographics, what they purchased, and what they signed up under. Those are three things you can do. The other ones you can do is under um, different other types as well. So those are the biggest ones that you can do. And also, you can do it from like long time subscribers as well, people that just subscribed and people that subscribed, many months or years ago. And then next thing to do is you look at the types of behavior. So you can segment based on clicks, downloads, or purchases in any of your targeted emails. So people that bought certain things or people that clicked on things more than others. Because a lot of people just open your email, they won't click. So there's a difference between someone that just opens an email and ones that actually click on the link that is in part of those emails. And so you can segment on those as well. The next way you can do that is to use surveys. So surveys are great because you can then, kind of either you do it generically or give, different demographics on, what you're looking for in those. And that's a great way for people to be able to find out what your subscribers' interests are and then do be able to segment that way as well. So that's just another way you can do it. And of course, you can automate it as well. You can do it based off of who's opened, how many times. And so that's also is a way of doing that too, so that you can do automation as well. Sometimes you do like certain people open up so many times, you can give them different star ratings, and then it automatically shifts the window. So say you have people that have say opened up your email 20 times in the last 90 days, those have a different star rating. And then based upon what they're doing later on, then they'll be able to do that as well. And so that's another way that you can segment automatically. That way, as you're putting your emails, is like I want these emails to go to only my top people. That's what you can do. And of course, you want to test and refine these things. It's not. You may find your list may need a different segment, and sometimes it'll be other things. So always do testing, see what's working, see what's not, and check out what your open rates are, so that you can do some really high open rates. And high open rates do great with inboxing and domain reputation as well. And that's why it's really good to do segmentation, because not only does it help with getting it to the right people, but it also helps with getting your emails to the right people in their inbox as well, so they see it. So hopefully that's been helpful. And if you want more information on different other email or marketing information, check out my blog on marketopiahq.com. The link is in below in the comments, and talk to you next time.